Well, Joni, here we go again. This time we're going to talk about our grandchildren and our great-grandchildren, how they came to visit us in Rome and the dinner that we had there.
In Sicily.
And wine is always good.
Wine is always good. I'm Joan.
And I'm Harry.
Cheers, welcome.
Welcome to our channel.
Yes.
But Carolyn, and we're going to call this Cowgirl Dreams and Caviar Wishes.
You'll find out why towards
So they came to visit us. We were in Thailand, and they came to visit us in Rome. Then we flew to Rome, and they came to visit us March 1 in Rome. And we spent a week there touring around with guides and golf carts and all that stuff.
And the two greats with us.
Chloe and Haley.
The greats being our great-grandchildren.
Yeah, and
9 and 7.
And Brad, Carolyn's husband, the rancher, the singing cowboy.
Yeah.
But it is so. But at the end, they came to visit us in Sicily on Mount Etna, and then we made a dinner there. And Loredana did most of it, but it was
cooking with Loredana.
Yeah, cooking with Loredana. It was, of course, had to do with pasta, salmon, and caviar, real black caviars.
Mm-hmm.
And
so also a dish. One of the dishes was also another fish egg.
Yes,
roll.
And we did fish rolls, whatever. That's another story. It'll be part of this story. But so anyway, what happens is they get back to Canada. Carolyn and Brad and Chloe and Haley and so on. Chloe's in school, and the teacher says, "What was your favorite part of Italy?" She says, "The caviar." A 9-year-old kid, the caviar. First of all, we went to Harry's bar in Rome, which was just outrageously expensive for 6 people. It was like, oh.
And we ordered caviar, black Russian,
we did.
Sturgeon caviar.
It was around $1,200 or $1,300, whatever. It was crazy. It's a crazy amount there. Well, you do that once in your lifetime, or maybe whatever. So that was the whole thing. So that's why it's called, and they're all cowgirls. Carolyn, Chloe, and Haley, cowgirls, and one of them absolutely loves caviar. so this, and now we're going to go into.
In this video we're having.
What are you doing with your hat? It's not going to blow away.
No.
And this video, it has all about. It's all about the up in Piopi.
Yeah, we're cooking in Piopi in Sicily in our cottage that we rented, and Brad and Carolyn and the 2 girls.
Jesus, Joan. Okay. We say adieu, a ciao.
Adieu.
Ciao, 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 ciao.
I'm making a coffee.
Un caffè, per favore.
God, every time you cook is like a theater.
Now, we have to get the ratio in here. Ratio?
Taste it.
No, now you look first. See, this is the
Salmon.
salmon.
For the pasta.
And what's all in here? Parsley, garlic, oil, and no salt, pepper, no?
Salt, pepper,
And this one here? This is the Greek one.
Quick, But this one is cooked. Caviar, when we put the caviar in?
That comes later.
Brad is
Making pepper.
making pepper with
How many? This many?
pestle, mortar and pestle. So Haley, what are you making?
I have no idea what I'm making.
Harry is making Pinocchio. Okay. Is it pepper?
Grinding pepper.
Grinding pepper? Smashing pepper.
He's grinding pepper.
Oh, listen to that cracking.
Like that?
There you go. There
Yeah. You have to be strong like that.
Goldie, you can really shred. Go, go, go.
Lemon and fish.
You sound so disappointed.
No. Oil and vinegar.
Oil and vinegar.
Salt and black pepper.
Okay, salt and black pepper.
From there
Okay.
to there.
Okay.
Into the fennel.
Okay.
So just four
salt,
ingredients.
black pepper,
Yes.
all, the vinegar,
Yes.
and olive oil into here
Okay.
for mix. It's up to you to do it. Perfect. Yeah, that's perfect.
Alright.
Okay, and then salt to
good to
taste, salt to taste, and pepper to taste.
The pepper goes into, grind the pepper into
The
the,
pepper
fennel.
you sprinkle in the pepper. That's why that's there.
Okay.
Yes.
Can I sprinkle?
Yes, sprinkle.
It is pretty powerful pepper, I will say.
Yeah, that's good pepper. That's Cambodian pepper.
Okay. Let's mix the picture.
Oh, look at that. I didn't know you knew. I'm too enthusiastic for me. Okay, peel it and put the peel in here.
Okay.
How is it?
It's okay.
4 pieces?
Okay.
Harry, I need another piece because John wants to know how the Pinocchio is.
Okay. You're tasting the Pinocchio.
What a cheap,
Good or
what a
not
cheap
good?
bastard. Look at
It doesn't give you a big, huge piece.
Pinocchio, good or not good? Excuse me. Parsley.
Video.
Allora facciamo la pasta con salmone e caviale, con aglio, garlic, parsley, red pepper, oil, and fish.
And then the fish. Okay. Loredana is making olio.
Let's go. Stomp your feet, jump up and down, clap your hands and turn around. Reach your arms all the way to the sky, out to the sides like a bird about to fly. Say yeah, do a high five with your friend. Up high, down low, too slow. Let's go.
Parte del salmone la cominciamo a tagliare.
With the scissor.
Stomp your feet, jump up and down, clap your hands and turn around. Step to the left, step to the right, hug somebody and hold them tight. Say yeah, do a high five with your friend. Up high, down low, too slow. Let's go.
And then just a little bit like that, yes?
Yes.
And then a little bit. And then later on we put in the pasta into there. Yes?
Poi, quando mettiamo la pasta,
Oh, the eggs. Yes.
mettiamo la pasta,
Yes.
one
One.
lo mischiamo, l'altro lo mettiamo sui piatti.
Go ahead.
Oil on first. Okay, a little bit. Now these are butterflied fish, sea bass from Zari.
bass,
Sea bass, sorry.
Mediterranean bass.
Okay.
And Harry, would you use some Himalayan salt also?
Yes.
Yes, of course. Yes.
Vado?
Yes.
Let's
I have a
make
little
it.
bit of this. Yes. Perfect.
What do you think of that? 1, 2, 3, 4, knocking on your door.
Salt Himalayan or salt diesel?
No, not that salt. My Brad has salt right there. Look, she go get some salt.
Allora,
Brad's in charge of making the
We
salt.
also have, Harry, we also have a black salt.
No. There.
There we go.
Okay. Okay, Joe?
Yeah, we're done for a bit.
Look. Now, Brad put that together. Yeah, it looks beautiful, no? Okay.
Put fish in the tray.
Yes, I did. The butterfly. Now, John, pepper. Brad did the pepper. And this is Cambodian pepper. Best pepper in the world.
Oh, yes.
It's got spice.
Tried it.
That's why.
What did you say, Brad?
I tried the pepper. I hold my finger.
It's good.
3, 4, knocking on your door. They are your friends, they wanna dance and sing. Open up the
Ora prendiamo il limone,
Lemon.
lemon,
I have to get some lemon.
e garlic.
Garlic, I'm just cooking it. Brad is the bartender.
It's 11:15. Let's say 11:15.
Ooh, look at that.
Alright.
No.
Wonderful.
Okay.
Beauty.
I'm drinking cough syrup. Because my
Salmon?
I don't.
Okay, beer at 11:30.
Stop.
Whiskey
No more?
at 11:15.
Alright.
Honey. And honey.
Too early for that.
No, it's for my throat.
Okay, okay. So it's a medicine.
It is medicine.
Okay.
I don't know if you can see what I'm holding in front of your face.
Okay, I know what you mean. Che è un cedro?
Guarda il cedro, ma è il nostro limone.
And half?
Yes.
That's it?
Half.
Half. You don't know what you're doing half the time. Okay, perfect. Okay, Johnny, lemons go on. Look at that. Oh, Carolina, look at this, eh? Isn't it amazing?
Looks good.
Oh, wait. This is nothing yet.
Oil.
A little bit of oil. And a little bit of cough syrup. A little cough syrup, no? For me, a little cough syrup.
you.
For you.
What
You
is
want, I can
the...
cut. You want me to cut?
Che guarda le belle. La verità, molta gente se non ce l'ha.
Two little bowls.
Tipo,
What do you want?
tipo uno straccetto d'ecco.
There's bowls up there.
Ma ce n'è poco.
Bradley?
Harry.
First of all, this has been heating for, well, it's ready to go, okay? And so, this is the fish we bought yesterday. It's a sea bass.
Beautiful.
And it's butterflied. We also have eggs that we're going to make later. Now it's time to go in. Down here, yes?
Yes.
So that goes in. And it'll be maybe 15, 20 minutes.
Yes.
That's the most. Perfect. Ciao.
Perfetto.
Perfect.
Ciao.
You want juice?
This is sea
With,
bass
with,
eggs. These are the eggs that come out of the sea bass that we bought yesterday at the fish market. This is the caviar,
Yes, out of sea bass.
fish eggs.
Yeah. Loredana. Now we make eggs, no?
Yes.
Those are caviar.
Sì.
Caviar, yes.
Ciao.
Ciao.
Dici che l'hanno rinnovato tutto ed è bellissimo. Ci voglio andare perché l'avevamo visto che lo stavano rinnovando. Lo mettiamo un tempo che si...
This is the caviar.
Here, I'll eat it. Take a look. What is this? We bought it yesterday.
Salami?
A salami? Salami. This is
Eggs.
We call this salami, but I think that for salami, you mean something else.
I just want to know what's in it. You can buy salami in Gino. It's not similar, but not quite the same. Yeah, okay. We get lots of, what do you call that, circuit? Carolyn, would you like to try some eggs? Yes, circuit.
Remember the sausage that you bought yesterday?
Yeah.
Guarda che stupido,
You
non
have
l'hai
them
visto?
big,
Ma sono
with a little bit
bellissimi.
more salt. You hang,
Oh, then they dry out.
then dry out, and it's the salami.
Oh, okay.
Liana, you want to sit here?
Sì.
Yeah, that's good.
Non si vuole assettare di
Move over when she can sit here.
la vicinita.
The pasta is ready. Cooking. Butterfly pasta.
They are looking.
Quale sarebbe? Poi uno e due, così io poi faccio mettere la pasta e mettiamo quella la pasta di
All good.
Parmigiano. Parmigiano.
Here.
Okay, this pasta for baby.
For babies, okay.
Okay,
Ready for some pasta? And
Ma noi le uova quando le mettiamo prima.
quando volete voi, ragazzi.
Carolyn is going to put the Parmigiano on it for you, girls.
Col pesce, dopo dice col pesce.
And butter.
No, è al fondo.
You never spare me details as you confide in me. I smile and give advice, but cannot tell you how I feel. How easy it would be to fall for you.
Salute Loredana. Ciao. Ciao.
Sicily.
Ah.
Bravo, bravo.
And Orazio doesn't care, he's just eating.
Oh, yeah. Very good.
Oh,
What do we eat, girls? You like? See?
see.
Nothing more than friends. How silly it would be to put this
Gino,
Coffee.
did you make
4 dishes?
cut? Did you make Letta or did Gino make?
Okay, Harry,
Tenero, no?
let's record this vlog.
Yeah, we'll do that. Okay?
Champagne, no, apriamo sto champagne.
Champagne, let's record this vlog.
Yes.
Champagne?
Champagne, yeah. Great. Jones champagne, Myra champagne.
Champagne. Open the bottle.
Orazio. What are we opening? Myra's first champagne?
Brad, you do it. And then from the top.
Non c'è bisogno, non c'è bisogno.
How the hell did you do that, Orazio?
This?
Baby?
You guys want to try some of this?
It's very good.
Try mine?
Maya, where the hell have you been?
John? Yeah,
The first bottle. Orazio, you pop.
It's another pop. It's a pop.
Come on, Orazio. Pop! You're not 80 years old yet, are you?
Oh,
yeah.
4 times in the morning.
Won't do it.
Oh, okay.
Come on, Orazio.
Maybe we'll do it.
Oh, not bad. That was. Can you taste that,
Vuoi
Razio?
il cioccolato tu, di
Dai.
Gino? E dammi una mano, stammi vicino. Voglio che stai
Not bad.
Not
Not
bad.
bad. It's starting.
It's starting to be
Yeah.
good. Oh, okay.
The frizzle.
should we have?
The fermentation.
Orazio migliorerà?
Here's to good friends, good family, good food,
Good avalanche.
good wine.
Maya's first Spumante. You taste, John.
In a month, we have big bubbles.
Good for now, no? Perfecto.
Amazing.